Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change the call ringtone for Instagram on your Android phone. Follow the steps carefully and you will be able to customize your ringtone successfully. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the main settings menu. You can find the settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Open the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type Instagram. Alternatively, scroll down and find the option labeled App Management or Apps. Tap on this option to see the list of all the applications installed on your device. From the list of apps, locate and select Instagram. Once you open the Instagram settings page, you will see various options related to the app. Look for the option called Notifications and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you find different notification categories such as Instagram Direct Requests, and Instagram Direct Video Chat. To change the ringtone for Instagram calls, tap on the category labeled Instagram Direct Video Chat. In this section, you will see an option labeled Sound. Tap on the Sound option. His will bring up a list of available ringtones and notification sounds on your device. Browse through the list and select the ringtone you prefer. You can also choose the Default Notification Sound option if you want it to match your system notification sound, or select None if you prefer not to have any sound for Instagram calls. Once you have made your selection, exit the settings by pressing the back button or closing the Settings app. Your changes will be saved automatically. You have now successfully changed the call ringtone for Instagram on your Android phone. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.